Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, it rained hard all last night and it was very cold and very windy. So of course this morning I want to practice making a wet wood fire. Let's only use the Victorinox Fieldmaster. You saw my video yesterday where I cut a little block of Fatwood and used it to help hold open the saw so that I could go ahead and scrape with it. A subscriber made a great comment, a great suggestion. He said that he has a lanyard on his Swiss Army knife, and that's what he uses to wrap around and to hold that saw blade. I want to do that. That sounds like a good idea. I always use a long enough piece of paracord on my lanyards that I can deploy it and use it for a bow drill bowstring. So this is 4 feet of paracord. So I took the little ring off of my knife to make it easier to cobra weave. That's how I'll scrape the ferro rod and get our ignition today. All right, let's cut away this very wet bark. See what we have to work with. All right, let's make 2 big handfuls of shavings, and I'll be doing some scrapings also. There's a light sprinkling going on constantly, and my table keeps getting wet. If you have to put a dry shirt down to sort of keep everything dry, catch all the shavings, that's what you got to do. Kind of hard to tell what's dry and what isn't in this constant sprinkling. Let me go ahead and saw a clean end on there and I'll be able to better tell how saturated this piece is. It's good. We'll get some good shavings off of that. Cover them up so that they do not get wet because it has started raining. Let's get some of this dry stuff here. See if we can make some scrapings with that saw blade and the help of that lanyard. That blade is razor sharp. We are making some fine feathers. Let's see if we can make it work. I'll keep these covered up. Make a little depression, a little hole right in the center to catch those sparks. And we'll get our handy dandy saw out. Wrap the lanyard around there so we can really put some pressure on that ferro rod. Let's see what we can do with it. Yeah, we got a flame right there. Good. Let's go ahead and build up as big of a base of embers as we can before we put them in the hobo stove. And let's put some of these coarse shavings in the very bottom. And we got a feather stick here. All right, y'all, do me a favor now. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. Let's just go to time lapse. This is going to take a long time. We'll catch you on the next one.